You open your book. You read for 10 minutes. Then you check your phone. And suddenly, it's been an hour. You tell yourself, I'll start again after 5 minutes. But that 5 minutes never ends. It's not that you're lazy. Your brain's addicted, not to fun, but to switching tasks. Every notification gives you a mini reward, a small hit of dopamine. Your brain starts to crave that more than real progress. And when your brain gets used to quick rewards, studying feels boring. Working feels hard. Even sitting still feels impossible. You didn't lose focus, the world trained you to lose it. Here's how to fight back. Turn off notifications for 30 minutes. Put your phone behind you, not next to you. Work in 25-minute sprints, no breaks, no distractions. After each sprint, reward yourself after, not before. Every time you resist distraction, your brain rewires itself. Focus starts to return. Focus is your superpower. Not everyone has it, that's why most people stay stuck. But you? You're rebooting your mind. Welcome to Daily Reboot, your daily upgrade.